What's up? So we're here today. We're working on our friend Chris and Josie's car. It's an IS300. We are gonna do a headlight restoration. I already did this side, sanded it down. I haven't sprayed that one yet. So first step, you want to tape it off, sand it off from 80 to 100 to 180, 320, 600. Get a nice sanded, pull it off, remask it off, and then you want to spray your 2K clear on there, and then that's pretty much the job. So after I get done sanding this one, I'll show you the progress. Alright, so the right headlight is sanded. I taped it off, take that side off, and we're about to begin spraying. Alright guys, so I just sprayed the first coat, and you can already see those things are icy. You still see a few scuff marks, but that's only the first coat. So hopefully it turns out good. The 2K clear gloss stopped spraying. I don't know if because it was inside or what, but I just went ahead and went with the Rust-Oleum clear gloss. So we'll see how this ends up. Alright, that's the second coat of spray. As you can see, they look a lot better. You can actually see the headlights now. Went from yellow to that. It's not bad at all. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Thanks.